Peace to the God, peace to the ancestors, peace to the gods and goddesses, divine being, divine intellect. So, this is a little quick message on why you should love yourself and why you should always seek understanding within yourself and within every situation. And I say this to say that from off one of the previous videos I made about why one important lesson I learned by being on the spiritual journey is basically loving yourself, because you're not loving yourself, you seek outwardly validation. But I also realized like spirit gives me an image of like ways of feeling, but then it shows me like the dark side, like actually seeing people for who they are, but also seeing like demons and knowing how you communicate with demons every day. You communicate with demons every day, like understand like we are all reflections of each other. And yes, they use the term as demon as demonic, but you gotta understand we are angels and demons, so we transmute our demons into angels. We seek to understand our demons. That's why self-love is important. I seek to understand my demon, so I could be more my angelic light. It's only reflections of each other. So when you look at it like this, on the external world, you're around so many other people energy, that don't realize their potential. They fight their own demons, but don't know how to handle and heal their own demons. Now you gotta look inwardly in your world, like, okay, what is this person teaching me? What part of this person that irritates my demons? And am I triggered by it, or am I understanding and sitting with the process of understanding why does this person trigger my demons this way and this way? And it's like you gotta sit with that, understand that, so you can actually be more into your light. Because if you ain't handling your demons, or you ain't facing that shadow side of you, anybody can pull on that cord and trigger the fuck out of you. Anybody can pull that cord and trigger the fuck out of you. That's why loving yourself is important, because if you know how to cut ties and heal the unhealthy part of yourself, that shadow aspect of yourself, you end up becoming a better version of yourself. Because now if I could heal this part of myself, this unhealthy part of myself, this toxic habit of myself, now I could rise into my higher state of myself, which is your true being. Like, we are angels and demons. It's about mastering mastering and alchemizing your demonic side, the demon side, the negative side, your shadow aspect of who you are, to rise into your light even more. Like, I'm gonna give you like another perspective, like situations are where like parents are battling, or children are battling against themselves, or loneliness or depression and stuff like that. You gotta seek within. You gotta seek inner strength. You gotta seek inner wisdom. So now spirit can able to put you in these situations and guide you through these doorways where you're around other like-minded individuals who's going to help you see your full potential, help you see the reality. Like, it's only a reflection of each other. Like, I'm walking down the street. If I see somebody else and I see like they mentally exhausted and mentally gone, like mentally lost, like I'm gonna say this too, cause also like understanding yourself, the part of yourself that makes you better. I understand I'm a Cancer. That means I'm nurtured. So if I see that, it's like it's gonna try to play some type of effect on my mind, and it's gonna make me like, I'm a Cancer, I'm nurturing, so it's gonna try to play some effect on my mind, like I need to help this person. I owe this person this, and it's like, nah. I understand by seeing this person going through a mental breakdown and stuff like that. Damn, it's like I understand the situation. I understand that this person going through this, and I understand it's a lot of my brothers and sisters. It's a lot of my people are going through the same situation. So how do I go within myself and raise my vibration, me loving myself, to change the outcome of this? Like, not externally trying to change the outcome, but internally change the outcome and looking for the answer, and letting spirit guide me to be a better guide and leader towards others, that help them deal with that situation, help them find themselves even more. Because just as much as that person going through mental pain and mental trauma and frustration, I had to go through that too in my spiritual journey, and it makes me stronger. And the fact that I already dealt with that in the spiritual realm and cleared that cycle out from the spiritual realm, broke this trauma and cycle from the spiritual realm, now I could be able to guide others who are going through that situation and help them heal from that, and showing them patience, showing them understanding, showing them love, and not judging them for like, oh yeah, you find your demons and you don't got nobody to help you. No, we all battling ourselves every day. And it's like, you gotta sit with it, you gotta heal with it, you gotta understand what part of me that feels this way, what part of this person that reveals me and pull on that trauma cord that I need to release in myself. Because now if I'm feeling this way and now I'm feeling this way, and this person able to get to me like this, it's fucking with my mindset, it's fucking with my peace. And it's like, you always gotta, you choosing yourself is you choosing your peace. And once you understand that, you win at life. You win at life every time. You win at life every time, because now you putting yourself in situations that doesn't even serve you. And you cutting ties so easily, it's going to irritate their demons. It's going to irritate their demons in most, like, damn, I can't get to this person like I want to. I can't get to this person. I can't hurt this person like that. It's like the fact that you cut cords and separate yourself from your ancestors stepping in. It's like, nah, you can't touch my child. You can't touch my child. You can't touch my grandbaby. You can't touch my daughter. You can't touch my son. You can't touch them. Your ancestors really work over you, and you really gotta pay attention to that. They work in the mind of spirit. They work in the matter of a spirit. They work in the matter of light. And the fact, you gotta heal your demons. You gotta sit with that dark side, that shadow side of yourself, so you can step into your light. So once you step into your light, your ancestors already in that light. They guiding you to do the healing. They guiding you to do the work. So once you fully step into the light and align with your light, you and your ancestors, you're in the state of your ancestral healing. You're in the state of your true power. So now your ancestors, like, my chosen one, my grandchild, my grandbaby, he's in his light. So now that he's in his light, I'm doing everything but protect anything that's trying to pull him in this light, that pull him in that shadow aspect, that's trying to build and deteriorate who he is. Or, like, choosing yourself is really it. Finding peace and trusting. That's it. Finding peace and trusting. Like, people want to have control of the outcome of everything. People want to have control and power of the outcome of everything.